I just built 3 real businesses in under 3 hours using only photos and a single sentence. That's not even the crazy part. The crazy part is that this works for any business. Real estate agents, restaurants, gyms, lawyers, e-commerce stores, anything that you can think of. But that's not even the craziest part. The craziest part is that 99% of all businesses do not know that this technology exists yet. In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step exactly how I built 3 real businesses and how you can do the same. And towards the end of the video, I'll also give you the 5-step client acquisition system completely for free that will help you get customers for each one of these businesses. So stick around for that. But real quick, if you want to stay up to date on the latest and the greatest in AI trends, tools, and news, and how to make money from them as well, I run a completely free newsletter designed for normal, non-technical people to start profiting from the crazy world of AI today. Scan the QR code on the screen or click on the link in the description right now to join completely for free. Real quick, before we get into it, you're going to need a Claude account and a Higgsfield account. What's happening here is we're connecting Claude, which is currently the most powerful chat bot in the world, to Higgsfield, which is currently the most powerful AI image and video generation platform in the world. Link to sign up to Higgsfield is in the description below, and there's also a link to Claude down there too. Both have free plans, but if you're serious about starting a real business with this, I always recommend going with the paid Higgsfield plan. Now that we have Claude and Higgsfield, we're going to quickly connect them together. So we come down to our name in the left-hand bottom corner. We're going to click on Settings, then Connectors, then scroll down to Add Custom Connector. And then we're going to enter the name Higgsfield and paste in this URL. The URL is going to be in the description below. We click Add, then Connect, and that's it. It's connected. Let's create our first business. The first business is real estate. Every agent in your city is using flat photos to sell million-dollar properties. Drone tours and walkthrough videos cost agents anywhere from $500 to $3,000 each. And most agents avoid them for that very reason. Let's say we're working with a real estate agent in our area and she has this property listed. Let's say she's asking $700,000 for. Now, these photos are flat and they're dull. Let's turn this into a complete drone tour so this house can sell way faster. Here we go. Okay, so we're inside of Claude and Claude is already connected to Higgsfield. So we're going to give it a prompt like this. I need you to take the exterior of this house and do a slow zoom in drone shot. That's it. A very simple sentence like this will suffice. Now we're going to go ahead and add the picture and then click run. Here's what it gave us. Now I'm going to stitch together the 3 or 4 clips that I made from all of the pictures of this real estate listing that took me about 20 minutes. Here we go. There it is. Now, here's the business. Walk into any real estate office in your city or DM agents on Instagram or Facebook and say, I'll turn your listing photos into cinematic video ads, a drone, flyovers, walkthroughs, etc. $200 to $500 per listing. Agents list 5 to 20 properties a month, and 5 clients gives you a real business. Specialize in real estate only, and we'll talk about why specialists win here in a minute. Business number 2, and even easier than real estate, is cafes, bars, and restaurant ads. They all have terrible Instagram photos and 0 video budget. Let's take this local slice of heaven pizza place that's just a block away from my house. This is Tony, the owner of the pizza shop.
I need you guys to make some more sauce. We have a huge order coming in.
And even though he might not be the most technical guy, he makes the greatest pizza in town. But his Instagram is trash, his Facebook is trash, and he needs your help. So let's take some of the pictures that he has on his Facebook page and actually make them look palatable. No offense, Tony.
No offense taken, kid.
I need you to put this pizza on a wooden counter like it just got removed from the oven. Put fresh ingredients next to it, tomato, basil, mozzarella cheese. Make the pizza steaming. Let's see what it gives us. Very nice. Now let's do the chicken wings. The last one is clothing stores. In the United States alone, there are millions and millions of small to medium-sized clothing stores, and every single one of them has the same problem. They live and die by their visuals. Their entire business runs on social media, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and what they're posting is flat, dull phone photos that nobody stops scrolling for. Let's take Claire, for example. She's a small clothing store owner in Fayetteville, North Carolina. She loves fashion. It's what she's dreamed of since she was a little girl. But she wants nothing to do with AI. She doesn't know anything about marketing.
My clothing business eats up 95% of my time, and honestly, I need help.
Let's take one of Claire's dresses and really make it come to life. Here's the most important part of the video. You've seen the demos. Now let's talk about how to actually turn this into a real AI business. Here's the simplest version. This is the 5-step client acquisition system. Now, this system, it's simple, but it's not easy. When I say it's not easy, what I mean is the way to succeed in this and in any AI business is volume. That's the key to this. The more businesses that you reach out to, the more chance that you have of them saying yes. If you reach out to 5 businesses, 2 of them might say yes. If you reach out to 10 businesses, 1 of them might say yes. It's a numbers game. So number 1 is pick one niche: restaurants, gyms, real estate, med spas, salons. Become a specialist in a single business. Because if you approach a restaurant owner and you say something like, I create ads for local businesses, he's going to look at you and think to himself, okay, it's another freelancer. But if you say, I make ads for pizza restaurants, or you say, I make ads for real estate agents in Seattle, Washington, you're becoming a specialist, and specialists can charge way more than generalists every single time. So pick one niche and stick to it. Number 2, create a sample pack. Remember, this is a show and tell type of business. You can approach any business and say, I can do this, I can do that for you. But unless you have samples, unless you have some sort of portfolio, they're not going to see what you're talking about. Human beings are creatures of visualization. So grab 3 photos from the niche that you chose, generate 3 ads. It's 3 minutes of work. Number 3, get your lead list. Without leads, you don't have a business. Go on Google Maps. 20 to 30 businesses. Grab their phone numbers, their emails, their Instagram, their website. You want to contact them through as many methods as possible. Call them if you want. Send them an email. Send them an Instagram DM or Facebook DM. Go to their website. See what they're all about. Contact as many businesses as possible. You can do this, again, by calling them, emailing them, DM. Don't freeze, guys. Most people freeze, especially when it comes to reaching out cold to businesses. Now, my advice is this. If you want to walk into the business, this is how most deals get closed, because everybody is calling, everybody's doing emails, everybody's sending DMs. And don't get me wrong, it does work. If you really want to make this business work as fast as possible and have it be the most profitable business that you probably have ever ran, walk into the business, look the owner into their eyeballs, and tell them what you're all about. Because if you call somebody on the phone or you send them a DM, yes, it might work, it might not. But the majority of the time, looking somebody in their eyes and creating an energetic bond and connection with them, especially if they're the business owner who knows that they're going to profit off of your service. Yes, that's where most deals close, is walk-ins. But if you're an introvert like me, just call them, email, send DMs. And again, the key here is volume, massive volume. Reach out to as many businesses as possible. And number 5, I want you to do this before you start the first 4 here. Now, what I'm talking about is this. Go on Fiverr, go on Upwork, and create a profile. Put your service on there. This is to have your business in a certain location. So once you have your service on Fiverr or Upwork, you're going to actively reach out to all of these businesses. But in the meantime, you want your service on a website where customers can look you up. So if somebody is looking for restaurant ads or product ads or fashion ads, they're going to find you on Fiverr and Upwork. Now, if you've watched any of my previous videos, you know I'm always talking about Fiverr. I'm always talking about how people are charging thousands of dollars and their delivery time is 14 days, 30 days. With Higgsfield and Claude combined, you can create ads in less than an hour. That's your superpower. Your superpower is delivering massive amounts of value extremely fast, and you can massively undercut the competition. So if somebody's charging $1,000 for their service, you can charge, let's say, $300, and you can deliver within an hour. You can deliver within a day, within 2 days. Delivery time is key here. So $300 versus $1,000, a day versus 14 days. You will absolutely get business if you try. If you're dedicated, if you get on there and you have a mindset of winning on Fiverr and Upwork and reaching out to local businesses as well. So let's go over it one more time. Number 1, pick a niche. Pick one niche and stick to it. Number 2, create a sample pack and a portfolio. Number 3, gather your lead lists, reach out to businesses, and first and foremost, open a Fiverr and Upwork profile. And one more time, guys, this business is all about outreach. Now, it's up to you whether you want to make this a part-time, a full-time business. In 2026, it's possible with I just get so excited I can't speak. With programs like Higgsfield and Claude together, there's no more excuses not to succeed. There's no more excuses not to start your own business and become an entrepreneur and work from wherever you want in the world, guys. This is what I do. I'm so passionate about teaching people how to create businesses, how to create different types of income, how to just break free from the system. I know some of you don't like your jobs, and it's okay. Just take massive action. In order to lead and live the life that you want to live, you have to break free from your old patterns, break free from your 9-to-5 patterns. Start now. Start thinking like an entrepreneur. Start reaching out to businesses. You just take the first step. I know the first step sometimes is hard. It's the hardest step out of all the steps, but just take it. Just take it. If you're uncomfortable, move past that, take the first step, and become successful. And just so we're on the same page, this is not a get rich quick type thing. You're not going to make $1 million overnight. I mean, you have to work hard at this. You have to be motivated and dedicated and be habitual when it comes to this. Consistency and volume is the key here. And if you want to try Higgsfield, be sure to check it out through the link in the description below. And also, if you want to stay up to date on the latest and the greatest in AI trends, tools, and news, and how to make money from them as well, I run a completely free newsletter designed for normal, non-technical people to start profiting from the crazy world of AI today. Scan the QR code on the screen or click on the link in the description right now to join completely for free.